How to get rid of bed bugs naturally. Getting rid of bed bugs is not an easy task. The easiest way to get rid of them is to use chemicals. Unfortunately, this is not always possible. This could be due to allergies, pregnancies, pets, or young children. Fortunately, it is possible to get rid of bed bugs in more natural, chemical-free ways. These include thorough cleaning and containment, as well as using natural products, such as essential oils.
Welcome to 𝒐𝒂𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒍.com.
This video will tell you how to cleaning everything and containing the infestation, and using natural remedies. So keep watching, get your solution, and enjoy! Method 1. Cleaning everything and containing the infestation. Number 1. Declutter the room. Get rid of anything you no longer want or need. Put them in plastic bags, and throw them away. This will make it easier to tackle your bedbug problem. If you need to move something out of an infested room temporarily, put it into a plastic bin with a tight-fitting lid first. Number 2. Wash all bedding and clothing at high temperatures. Wash all bedding and clothing at high temperatures, and store them in plastic bags or bins to prevent re-infestation. If something cannot be laundered, see if you can take it to a dry cleaner instead. You can also sanitize it by putting it into the dryer for at 15 minutes on a high heat setting. Depending on how severe your infestation is, you may need to wash everything once or twice a week for several months, even after the bed bugs are gone. Don't forget to clean the laundry area with a sanitizing cleaner once you are done. This also includes soft toys. Be sure to put them inside a pillowcase when washing them, so that you don't damage their fur. Number 3. Place everything you washed into plastic bins. Place everything you washed into plastic bins with tight-fitting lids the instant you take them out of the dryer. You can also use plastic, zippered, or resealable bags instead. Whatever container you choose to use, you must keep it closed whenever you are not handling the things inside. This will prevent the newly cleaned items from getting re-infested. Store these bins away from the infested room. Number 4. Vacuum everything several times a week. This includes anything made out of fibers, such as box springs, carpets, curtains, mattresses, and upholstered items. It also includes hard items, such as furniture, hardwood floors, baseboards, and anything else with nooks and crannies. Number 5. Dispose of the vacuum cleaner bag properly. Take the bag out of the vacuum cleaner and put it into a plastic bag. Tie the plastic bag up tightly, and throw it away immediately outside your house. Do not leave the bag inside your house, or you may get another infestation. Number 6. Consider using a steam cleaner. It is important that you use one which reaches at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93.4 degrees Celsius, and which produces dry steam. The dry steam is important because you don't want everything left soaking wet, which can lead to mold and mildew. Number 7. Don't keep items that you can't salvage. If something is beyond saving, get rid of it. Rip off the covers of upholstered furniture. Mark infested pieces clearly with "infested with bed bugs" or "bed bugs" signs. Make arrangements with your city to have these items disposed of as soon as possible. This will prevent people from attempting to make treasures from your trash and inheriting your bedbug infestation. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using natural remedies. Number 1. Use fresh or dried eucalyptus, lavender, mint, and rosemary. Use fresh or dried eucalyptus, lavender, mint, and rosemary around your house. Most insects hate the smell of these plants, and bedbugs are no exception. You can use these herbs fresh or dried. Here are a few ideas on how you can use eucalyptus, lavender, mint, and rosemary to ward off bedbugs. Tie up bundles of these herbs and hang them in your wardrobe. Place sachets containing these herbs in your dresser and linen closet. Number 2. Try some essential oils. The essential oils that work the best on bedbugs include citronella, eucalyptus, lavender, mint, and rosemary. Note that if you have pets, you should use tea tree oil with care, as it can be toxic to them. Listed below are a few ways you can use essential oils to get rid of bedbugs. Rub some essential oil onto your bed frame. Add a few drops of essential oil into your laundry the next time you wash your bedding. Make a simple spray by adding a few drops essential oil into a spray bottle filled with half a cup, 120 milliliters of water. Use this spray on your bedding, carpet, and linens. Number 3. Sprinkle some pesticide-grade diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle some pesticide-grade diatomaceous earth around your room and in doorways or window sills. Diatomaceous earth is made from diatoms. It appears like a powder, but to bed bugs, it is like shattered glass. It not only kills bed bugs, but keeps them out. While pesticide-grade diatomaceous earth is considered safe for humans and animals, you would not want to eat it or breathe it in. Avoid getting pool or food-grade diatomaceous earth. The grains are too fine and can be harmful for you. Number 4. Try dryer sheets on your mattress. Find 8 to 10 dryer sheets and place them between the box spring and the mattress. Place 8 to 10 more of these sheets on the mattress underneath your bed sheets. The strong smell of the dryer sheets will send the bedbugs scurrying. Consider stuffing a dryer sheet or 2 inside your pillowcase, dresser drawers, and linen closet. Bedbugs seem to hate the smell of lavender in particular. Consider using some lavender-scented dryer sheets. Number 5. Get some non-permeable mattress and pillow covers. These covers are special because they don't have any seams and other crannies for the bedbugs to hide out in. They are also easy to wash and keep bedbugs from infesting your pillows and mattress. Number 6. Buy some bug interceptors. Buy some bug interceptors and install them beneath all 4 feet of your bed frame. They will keep the bedbugs from crawling onto your bed. If you can't find any, get some plastic bowls or dishes and place them beneath all 4 feet of your bed. Fill them with some soapy water to drown any bedbugs who dare climb up your bed. Tips. 1. If you need to move anything out from the infested room, put it into a plastic bin with a tight-fitting lid first. This will contain the infestation and keep it from spreading. 2. Do not stop the treatment once the bedbugs are gone. Keep it up for another month or 2. This is because there may still be some bedbug eggs laying about. They often hatch even after the adult bedbugs are all gone. 3. Use pitfalls sprinkled with baby powder under the 4 legs of the bed. It keeps you from getting bit and the powder smothers the bugs so they die. You could also use DE and that is very effective as well. 4. Don't move items from infested rooms into non-infested rooms. This will contain the infestation and keep it from spreading. 5. Wrap bed legs in 2-sided tape from the floor up to about 3-4 inches. Then, depending on the diameter of the legs, place them in washed label-less smooth-sided tin cans. Warnings. 1. Tea tree oil is effective at warding off bed bugs, but it is harmful for cats and dogs. Avoid using it in areas that your pets frequent. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.